The EU scores a $14.3 billion court win against Apple, along with a multi-billion-dollar award against Google.
This is Dr. David Shine, and welcome to Business Law 101.
And what has become a common headline over the last 10 years or so, the European Union seems to like to go after successful American technology companies. For instance, there have been substantial antitrust rulings against Microsoft in the past by the EU. According to a report carried by Newsmax, the EU's top court made two major rulings separately involving Apple and Google. The European Court of Justice ruled that Apple must pay 13 billion euros, which is equivalent to $14.3 billion. And that's in back taxes to Ireland. This related to a heavy discount on the taxes provided by Ireland back in 2016. Under the EU's calculation, Ireland allowed Apple to pay a tax rate of 1% of its European profits, and then it dropped it to 0.005% by 2014. This ruling was a rare win for the EU, which has faced problems defending its tax enforcement moves in recent years. It lost previous cases against Amazon and Starbucks. Then the court also upheld a 2.4 billion euro fine against Google, part of a string of high-profile EU competition cases targeting that company. In the Google case, the allegation was that their search engine favored its own services versus other providers. The EU move on Google is parallel to the current antitrust action against Google in the United States for monopolizing behavior with its dominant search engine. The US is also after Apple for restricting who can utilize its proprietary app software. However, the underlying issue in these two recent rulings may be an attempt by the EU to gain an advantage for its struggling tech companies. A recent report in Euronews indicates that the 7 largest US tech companies, Alphabet, which is Google, Amazon, Apple, Meta, Microsoft, NVIDIA, and Tesla, are 20 times bigger than EU's 7th largest and generate more than 10 times more revenue. This is Dr. David D. Shine for Business Law 101. If you've enjoyed this episode, please subscribe on your favorite platform.